Students, now we are going to solve exercise 1.3, question number 1. Write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion each has. Which means after solving question number 1 means all the sums separately, we have to tell that whether it is terminating decimal expansion or non-terminating decimal expansion. Now let's have a look how to solve this one. I'm going to solve the first one and second one, and rest of all I will give the homework, because same way, same kind, you can find the question number 1. So I'm going to solve the first one and second one now. Now student, going to solve the first one, 1.3 exercise. Question number 1, Roman 1. First question is 36 by 100. Now let's have a look how to solve this one. Go for the long division here. 36 by 100, go for the long division. So 100 cannot be divisible, sorry, 36 cannot be divisible by 100, so we'll put here one decimal point, then there will be 0. Now possible, so 3 into 100 means 300. Now 60 is the remainder, decimal point means 0 again, so 6 into 100 means 600. This is the remainder is 0, so we can say that therefore 36 by 100 equal to, we have got 0.36. Since the quotient starts from decimal point, decimal 36, that's why I have given here 10, because if any quotient or any number or any fractional part starts from decimal point, so definitely it less than 1, so 0 point something. We'll write here. Now after that, in the bracket I am writing here, this is terminating, this is terminating decimal expansion, this is terminating decimal expansion, terminating decimal expansion. Why? Because look, in after decimal point only 2 digit, terminating decimal expansion. Since it is not repeats again, that's why terminating decimal expansion. This is the first one I have done now. Now second one, 1 Roman 2, second one, 1 by 11. Okay, now let's go for it again. 1 by 11, that is 1 and divisible by 11, so 1 is less than 11 obviously, so cannot be divisible by 11, so we'll put here one decimal point, which means 0, which means now here it becomes 10. 10 is also less than 11, so cannot be divisible by 11, so we'll give here one more 0, then there will be 100. Now possible, 100 is bigger than 11. Now 9 into 11, 99, minus means remainder is 1, so again decimal point, then 0. We'll put here again 0 means 0. Now 100, 9 into 11 means 99, which means how many times if I'll put here that 0 and 9 will get only remainder 1, which means it starts with 1 and end with 1. So this decimal expansion is non-terminating repeating decimal expansion, which means 09 repeats continuously. So here I will write here, therefore 1 by 11 equal to 0.0909, then dot bar, or we can say that 0.09. Since these 2 digit repeats frequently, so we'll give here bar, and in right here non-terminating repeating decimal expansion, non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Now student, the next question is question number 2. You know that 1 by 7 equal to 0.142857 bar. Can you predict what the decimal expansion of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, then 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7 are without actually doing the long division? If so, how? Now look, I am going to solve this question now one by one. Now student, look, 1.3 question number 2. First one, in the given question it is given that 1 by 7 equal to 0.142857 bar. Now we have to find out 2 by 7, which means 2 into 1 by 7. We can write here, so 2 into the value of this one we can put here 0.142857 bar. Now look here student, by the side here I am just showing you the one demo for multiplication of this decimal expansion. 1 by 142857 into 2. Now 7 to ja 14, 4 carry 1. 5 to the 10 plus 1 11, 1 carry 1. 8 to the 16, 16 plus 1 17, 7 carry 1. Then 2 to ja 4, 4 1 ja 5. Then 4 to the 8, 2 1 ja 2, then 0, 285714. Now look here, here also 2 into decimal point 0.285714, then bar. Like this is one demo I am showing here. Like this, the next part would be 1 by, look here, next part would be I think 3 by 7, 3 by 7 the next parts. This can be written 3 into 1 by 7. So 3 into again 0.142857 bar. We'll go for the multiply again. Now look, after that, wait, after that is 4 by 7. Next one is 4 by 7. I will write here the answer. Wait, now next one is 4 by 7. This can be also written 4 into 1 by 7. So 4 into value of 1 by 7 is 0.142857 bar. We'll write the answer here again. Now just after that, look here, next one is 5 by 7. 5 by 7, 5 by 7 means 5 into 1 by 7. So 5 into 0.142857 bar. Now next one, and next part would be after that 6 by 7. 6 by 7, so 6 into 1 by 7, which means 6 into 0.142857 bar. Now we'll write the answer to that. Look here students, already I have done this calculation in one separate page. I am now going to show you this one. Look student, this is my rough calculation from 3 4 5 6 I have done here. Now I'm just going to write the value here. Look, initially, look here, initially I also done this remaining part by the same method of multiplication. Now after that, now just I'm going to write the value here. Look, the first value means 3 by 7. 3 by 7 would be 0.428571 bar, and 4 by 7, 4 by 7 would be 571428, then 0 decimal point, that is bar. Now 5 by 7 would be 0.714285 bar, and 6 by 7 would be 0.857142 bar. Look student, already I have done the rough part here, that's why I can write the answer directly. Students, now we are going to solve that question number 3. Question number 3, express in the form p by q. P, q are integers and q is not equal to 0. Students, there are many questions in your book, but I have written only 3 questions, 1 2 and 3. 1 is 0.6 and Roman 3 is 0.001 and Roman 2 is 0.47 bar. I am going to solve this now. I will solve only one sum and rest you will solve by watching the video. Now student, look, first of all I will write here that solution, then Roman 1, let x equal to 0.6 bar. Now look here, x equal to 0.666 bar indicate that it repeats many times. Now look, after decimal there is only one digit and that digit repeats many times. So after the decimal only one digit and that digit repeats many times, so I'll write here that multiplying both sides by 10. So 10x here, and there could be 10, and then look here like this. So I am taking this one as equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now if I go for the subtraction for 2 minus 1, then answer would be 10x equal to 6.666 and repeats again, and there is x equal to 0.666 and repeats again. Now after that 10 minus 1 is 9, 9x. Now look, this part and this part removes already, because if I go for the subtraction here, so 6 minus 0 is 6 and decimal part after that removes, so remaining part would be x by 6 by 9. Now after that 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9, so x2 by 3, x2 by 3, this is the answer of the question.